Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1899 indicates a problem with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, related to the drive pulley pressure control valve. It specifies that either the drive pulley pressure control valve is stuck in the off position or the driven pulley pressure control valve is stuck in the on position. These components are essential for managing hydraulic pressure, which is critical for proper transmission function. A malfunction here can affect the vehicle's ability to shift gears smoothly, impacting overall performance. The fault is monitored continuously and can trigger a warning on the dashboard through the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, and a blinking shift position indicator. Understanding the precise roles of these valves helps in diagnosing the problem effectively. The issue centers around the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve and the CVT driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve located within the transmission assembly. These solenoids are responsible for controlling the hydraulic pressure needed for shifting the CVT appropriately. The drive pulley control valve is specifically tasked with managing the pressure of the drive pulley, while the driven pulley control valve regulates the pressure at the driven pulley. Together, they must perform accurately to maintain the proper pulley ratio, which affects how power is transmitted from the engine to the wheels. If either valve fails to open or close as required, hydraulic pressure cannot be adjusted appropriately, resulting in the DTC being triggered. Several factors could lead to the DTC P1899 being triggered. Firstly, the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve may be stuck in the off position, which prevents the system from building the required hydraulic pressure. Alternatively, the CVT driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve may be stuck in the on position, resulting in excessive hydraulic pressure. Electrical issues can also play a substantial role. Damaged wiring or faulty connectors may prevent the transmission control module, TCM, from accurately reading or controlling the solenoids. Additionally, intermittent problems due to poor connections can lead to erratic signals being sent or received. It is essential to inspect these components carefully when diagnosing the issue. The most noticeable symptoms accompanying DTC P1899 are related to the vehicle's electronic displays. The malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard will illuminate, alerting the driver to a fault in the vehicle's transmission system. Additionally, the shift position indicator may blink, serving as a further warning that something is amiss. Drivers may also experience difficulties when attempting to shift gears, as the transmission could be stuck in a particular gear or fail to respond as expected. It's not uncommon for the vehicle to feel sluggish or unresponsive due to the improper hydraulic pressure. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent more severe transmission issues from developing. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P1899 involves starting the engine to ensure that all electronic systems are powered up correctly. Following this, the vehicle must be accelerated while in drive mode, referred to as D mode. This step is crucial as it allows the transmission control module, TCM, to evaluate the responsiveness of the CVT under real driving conditions. The target is to reach a speed of 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, which is necessary for the TCM to register the operation of the drive pulley pressure control valve. Upon reaching this speed, the system can check if the valve operates within expected parameters. Once the vehicle reaches 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, the next critical action is to slow down and come to a complete stop. This step is designed to observe how the transmission behaves in a non-moving state, which can yield vital diagnostic information regarding the CVT's pressure control valves. When the vehicle is stopped, the TCM is able to analyze the operating state of the CVT drive and driven pulley valves under low torque conditions. This moment provides a clear understanding of whether the DTC may be accurately triggered due to a genuine malfunction, or if the system is functioning correctly during deceleration. After coming to a stop, the following step involves accelerating the vehicle using wide-open throttle. This means pressing the accelerator pedal fully to engage maximum engine power. This step is crucial for assessing how the transmission responds to high input torque situations. Ideally, the CVT should smoothly adjust its pulley ratio to accommodate the increased throttle, ensuring seamless power delivery. If the valves are functioning correctly, the hydraulic pressure should adjust dynamically to match the demands of the engine. This test helps to determine whether the solenoids are stuck and whether they can operate correctly under conditions of maximum engine load. After conducting the wide-open throttle acceleration, the next step is to slow down and stop the vehicle once more. This second halt allows the TCM to evaluate the hydraulic pressure responses after the vehicle experienced a high torque situation. Observing shifts between acceleration and rest provides a timeline for how the CVT responds to quickly changing conditions, helping the technician diagnose the transmission's performance accurately. The TCM will check if the DTC activation happens during this phase, identifying a fault in the drive or driven pulley pressure control valve system. By collecting data during this phase, a clearer picture of any ongoing issues can emerge. In the final diagnostic step, you will need to turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode. This action effectively resets the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing the TCM to prepare for new data collection. By turning the vehicle off, you give the solenoids a moment to reset themselves, which can sometimes clear transient faults. After this, it's essential to prepare for repeated testing by starting the engine again and performing the previously mentioned driving pattern. This repetition helps to determine if the previously logged DTC returns, providing further insight into whether the condition is intermittent or consistent. Hence, this step plays a crucial role in confirming the results of earlier troubleshooting actions. Final repair verification involves checking if the DTC P1899 returns after all troubleshooting steps have been executed and any necessary repairs have been made. This is crucial to confirm that the original issue has been resolved. Ensure that the system operates smoothly under various driving conditions without triggering the MIL again. It is also essential to monitor the performance of the CVT components, ensuring the hydraulic pressure mechanisms are responding correctly to the TCM commands. If the DTC appears again, further investigation into the wiring, connections, and solenoid performance might be necessary, indicating there might be underlying issues that have not been addressed. Though not explicitly stated in the diagnostic text, good preventive maintenance practices are essential for ensuring the long-term health of your vehicle's CVT system. Regularly changing the transmission fluid can significantly impact the smooth operation of the transmission, as it helps to maintain optimal hydraulic pressure and lubrication. Additionally, routinely inspecting wiring and connectors associated with the CVT system can prevent electrical issues that may lead to solenoid valve malfunctions. Lastly, monitoring driving behavior, such as avoiding rapid acceleration and unnecessary braking, can help prolong the life of the transmission. These practices will help mitigate the likelihood of triggering DTC P1899 in the future. In conclusion, DTC P1899 is a significant indication of potential problems with the CVT drive and driven pulley pressure control valves. Understanding the function of these components is crucial for proper diagnosis and resolution. The DTC is monitored continuously by the TCM, which allows for prompt detection of issues. The troubleshooting steps focus on evaluating the system through specific driving patterns to ascertain the condition of the solenoid valves and hydraulic pressures. Regular maintenance and thorough checks can prevent these issues from recurring, ensuring a smooth and efficient driving experience. Awareness of symptoms and troubleshooting techniques allows technicians and drivers alike to address concerns quickly and effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.